Hey, what's up, guys? All right, today in this video, we're going to be talking about one important landing page sequence that I use for my e commerce store and the brands that I manage. I generate over $400,000 per week with the custom landing page designs. These are 100% built in Shopify, 100% custom built, no apps, no plugins, nothing third party. The only app that we use for custom landing pages is a subscription app or maybe a review app, which is totally optional. Other than that, all these experience can be built 100% custom. Now, first of all, this is just an example I'm showing you for the buy box because I use the same exact strategy in order to actually scale my businesses. Some of the businesses that I own are in the cannabis space, so I really can't name them because YouTube will shut down my videos. But anyways, when it comes to like the buy boxes, the user experience of how the product page looks like, it's all about the usability of the product. If you see a coffee brand or if you see a supplement brand out there and you're like, okay, I like this buy box and I own a clothing brand, let me actually use the same buy box for myself. If you take that approach, that's not going to work for your business because a coffee industry is a very specific niche. When it comes to their buy boxes, they are experts in their own specific niche. You need to make sure that who is using the best experience in your specific industry and you can replicate that. I see a lot of stores just like see something that is really cool online. And what they do is like they copy and paste it and then they're like, oh, why am I not converting that much? The landing pages that I do converts anywhere from 4 to 6% when it comes to design side of things. So first of all, let's talk about this product page. As you can see right here, this is the first image. It's a GIF image of a person just pouring the drink into the glass. And then we have some infographic pictures as well. Let me actually remove my camera. And you can see right here, these are just like infographics pictures. And these are like heavy educational. 84 supplements, 84 of supplements don't get absorbed. They're talking about the ingredient side of things. Then a person just like drinking the product, and you can see right here, this is a GIF image, right? So let me actually put myself back. All right, so on the left side, we have a full supplement facts that I can just click and open it. You can see a very specific detail around one serving and one bottle, how much servings you get in total, one short squeeze for one serving. And you can see right here, dietitian recommended use 4 to 7 times daily and 500 to 900 milligrams of electrolytes. And then you can see right here, a really detailed sidebar that opens up for the supplements. And you can see right here, boys clinical trial. If I open this up, you can see right here a case study on the specific supplement that they are selling online. Who else in the market that you see do this type of case study? Nobody does, but these guys do. And that's why they have the best conversion rate. And I replicate exactly the same exact process for a lot of brands that I personally work with in the supplement space. That's how you basically stand out from the rest of your competition. You can see right here, 1 month supply, 120 servings, 3 month supply, 360 servings. And this is selected by default. You can see right here, best value plus free item. If you buy like the 3 month supply, you can get like 5 flavors for free, I think so. Now, as you can see right here, this one is selected by default. The subscribe and save option is selected by default for you. But you can jump into one-time purchase, which is totally fine. And you can subscribe and save it as well. But you can see the difference between the costs, in stocks and ships tomorrow. Add to cart, $30 price. Try boy 100% risk-free. Not loving it, get a full refund. Even after having all those supplement facts, all those clinical studies, these are just the trials. They're still offering a risk-free full refund on a supplement. Nobody in the entire industry, if you buy something from Amazon, they don't refund you. Once you open the box, they don't refund. These guys are offering a refund. All right, doctor's recommended formula, and then they are talking about some reviews here. Get your best salsa squeeze. They're talking about like it's vegan. talking about some different ingredients, sourcing information, health benefits, all that. And you can pause this video or maybe you can check out their website. Sip on cellular hydration. They're using GIF images and showing you multiple scenarios on how to use the products. Comparison section. Why Boy is better than other brands out in the marketplace. And then they have an FAQ section and round out your routine. Of course, like they're selling, upselling, and then we have reviews. Nothing special in the footer section, but all the magic is up here. Now, if you're thinking like, hey, man, I can get the same page using the plugins, you can. But the problem with plugins is you will be using more than like 5 to 10 plugins just to even put together this layout. And you cannot scale using plugins because in the long term, your website is going to get worse in terms of the website speed. And on top of that, when it comes to like running paid traffic, your page is not going to load as fast as you think with using the plugins. Third-party page builders like Gem Pages or Shogun builders, they don't offer these type of functionalities. So I can help you with building a custom design plus a custom development in Shopify for your e-commerce store, and I can help you stand out from the rest of your competition in 2025, 2026. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, schedule a free call with me, and I can show you what I can do for your brand for absolutely free. And other than that, as always, I'll see you in the next video.